Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to know how I make this magical green smoothie for weight loss and healthy skin? Stay tuned. To make this drink, I'll be using a handful of spinach, which I've already washed. I'll be using celery, and I've already washed it. I'll be using 2 sticks of celery. I'll be using cucumber. Cucumber will help to keep you hydrated, aid digestion. I'll be making use of lemon and also water. So I'll start by cutting the celery into smaller pieces for easy blending. Celery is very good because it will help to neutralize and flush out toxic out of the liver. It will balance your pH level, calm your nerves, and relieve constipation. I'll also cut the cucumber into smaller pieces. Cucumber will help to aid digestion and also good for your weight loss. When I'm done cutting, I'll be adding the celery and the cucumber into the blender. I will also add spinach. Spinach contains vitamin A, C, K. It is a good source of magnesium, iron, and fiber. I'll be making use of lemon. I will cut and squeeze to get the lemon juice. Lemon contains vitamin C, which increases the way our body absorbs iron. It will help to boost your metabolism and aid digestion. When I'm done squeezing the lemon, I will set aside. I have added all the vegetables into the blender. I will also add the lemon juice and water. I will cover the blender and blend until smooth. When I'm done blending, if you like, you can enjoy the fiber content of this juice, or I'm going to use a strainer to strain to get the juice. So I will pour the juice into a strainer and press to get out all the juice.